Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender X-Dynamic HSE finished in the very stylish Gondwana Stone. It's a 3-litre diesel, sitting on those stunning 20-inch alloys, working perfectly with the exterior styling. We've also got the rear privacy glass. It's a very practical vehicle this. It does come with 7 seats, really uplifting the comfort, and these can be easily lowered to provide a huge amount of boot space. Got the ebony leather finish on the interior, very comfortable to be in. Climate control panel in the back there as well. With the Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle, and a very well presented dashboard. You've got the sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Always a nice feature to have, I'm sure you'll agree. As we're taking a seat inside, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera working in hand with your parking aid. You've also got your electrically deployable tow bar for all your towing needs. It does make it nice and easy. And you've got your climate front seats there as well, perfect for use all year round. Ease of access to a huge range of other features. And for more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.